Today we delve into an intriguing success story. How I managed to generate affiliate sales with absolutely zero followers using long-form YouTube videos. Stay with me as I share some unexpected insights and strategies that could redefine your approach to affiliate marketing when I embarked on this journey. The odds seemed stacked against me. No followers, no existing audience, hardly the ideal recipe for affiliate marketing success. Yet, this uniquely challenging starting point became my advantage. Instead of focusing on building a following, I honed in on creating high-value content that appealed to viewers who were actively seeking solutions. The magic ingredient? Long-form videos, rich in depth and detail. The first step was understanding that my videos needed to provide genuine value. Unlike short, snappy content aiming for viral success, long-form content could delve deeply into topics. By researching popular yet underserved niches, I found subjects that had substantial search traffic, but limited quality content available. This allowed me to capture interest right at the search query level. Next, I focused on structuring these videos effectively. Each video was designed to be a comprehensive guide, addressing common questions, concerns, and hesitations that potential buyers might have. The goal was to mirror an engaging conversation you might have with a knowledgeable friend. Within this framework, I naturally incorporated affiliate links, ensuring they were relevant and came across as genuine recommendations rather than forced sales pitches. An essential element of this strategy was optimizing for search visibility. With relevant keywords thoughtfully integrated into the video titles, descriptions, and tags, I leveraged YouTube's powerful search algorithm. Furthermore, I crafted thumbnails and opening sequences that promised value and knowledge rather than superficial entertainment. Consistency in the video aesthetics and structured content also helped establish my channel's credibility, even without a pre-existing audience. Monetarily, results were not instantaneous, yet they were cumulative. Each video became a digital asset that continued to draw views and clicks over time. By embedding evergreen content that remained relevant, I ensured my efforts didn't simply fade away after a few days of publishing. This method of passive income generation was fascinating, as videos would gather traction gradually, steadily increasing the conversion rate of viewers to clicking on affiliate links. Another crucial factor was fostering interactions and engagement within the video itself. While comments and likes are a common measure of success, my aim was to provoke thought and further questions that I could respond to in future videos. This continuous cycle helped create a sense of value and utility for the viewers, beyond momentary entertainment. Eventually, these efforts paid off in two crucial ways. First, the cumulative views began converting into affiliate sales, validating the effectiveness of leveraging high-quality long-form content even without an initial audience. Second, as these videos gained traction, my channel organically began to attract subscribers. People tend naturally towards content that consistently delivers insightful and useful information. So, what can you take away from this? Long-form content on YouTube can be a powerful platform for affiliate marketing, even for creators starting from scratch. By focusing initially on delivering profound value and making your affiliate links a natural part of the conversation, you can effectively tap into the vast pool of viewers actively seeking the kind of thorough insights only longer videos can provide. As this journey has shown, not having followers isn't a hurdle. It's just another opportunity to innovate and think outside the box. So, why not start reimagining what's possible and tap into the potential of long-form YouTube content today? Those affiliate sales might just be a video away from becoming your reality. Follow and subscribe for more side hustle ideas. If you're in need to generate income today, go to www.kill9t05.com.